Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers. I'm at 91 subscribers right now, guys. Please get me to 100 by clicking that subscribe button. In this video, I detailed about the Bluetooth transmitter, how amazing it sounds with the new iPhone 11 Pro. I do have another video where I go more in depth about that Bluetooth transmitter, so go ahead and check that out. Guys, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you all. Hey guys, I'm just trying to demonstrate how well the new iPhone and the Bluetooth here with the Bose system in this Carrera 4S, how amazing it processes sound. It sounds so good. Listen to this. The count goes on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Give you my heart.